Imagine holding the very first tool ever created by human hands, a discovery that changed everything we thought we knew about our ancestors. 8 million years ago, in the dusty landscape of ancient Africa, our earliest ancestors made a discovery that would forever change the course of human evolution. Scientists recently uncovered what appears to be the oldest human-made tool in history, predating previous discoveries by millions of years and rewriting our understanding completely. This wasn't just any ordinary stone, it was carefully shaped, deliberately crafted, showing clear evidence of intentional modification by early human-like creatures millions of years ago. The tool was discovered in Kenya's Great Rift Valley, a region that has consistently provided archaeologists with groundbreaking evidence of our evolutionary journey through time. What makes this discovery so remarkable is that it pushes back the timeline of tool use by early hominids by several million years earlier. The stone tool shows clear signs of deliberate chipping and shaping, indicating that our ancestors possessed cognitive abilities far more advanced than previously believed possible. Archaeological teams spent months carefully excavating the site, using precision techniques to ensure every fragment of evidence was properly documented and preserved for study. Carbon dating and geological analysis confirmed the tool's age, placing it in a time period when early hominids were just beginning to walk upright. This discovery suggests that toolmaking wasn't a gradual development but rather an early fundamental characteristic of human-like species from their very beginning stages. The implications are staggering. It means our ancestors were problem-solving, planning ahead, and modifying their environment millions of years earlier than expected. Scientists believe this tool was likely used for cutting meat, cracking bones, or processing plant materials, showing sophisticated understanding of cause and effect. The find challenges everything we thought we knew about human intelligence evolution, suggesting complex thinking emerged much earlier in our ancestral lineage. Researchers from multiple universities collaborated on this project, bringing together expertise in archaeology, anthropology, geology, and evolutionary biology to analyze the discovery thoroughly. The tool's surface shows microscopic wear patterns consistent with repeated use, indicating it wasn't just made once but was actively employed regularly. This wasn't an isolated incident. The team discovered several similar tools in the same geological layer, suggesting widespread toolmaking behavior. The discovery site has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage location due to its immense significance in understanding human evolutionary development. Advanced 3D scanning technology allowed researchers to create detailed digital models of the tool, enabling scientists worldwide to study its characteristics virtually. The stone chosen for the tool shows evidence of being carefully selected, indicating our ancestors could distinguish between different material properties and qualities. Comparative analysis with modern primate tool use reveals striking similarities, suggesting toolmaking might be an even more fundamental primate characteristic than believed. The geographical location of the find supports the out of Africa theory, reinforcing Africa's role as the cradle of human technological innovation. Chemical analysis of the tool revealed traces of organic materials, providing clues about what our ancestors were processing with these early implements. The discovery team used ground-penetrating radar to map the entire area, hoping to find more tools and better understand the living patterns. This find bridges a crucial gap in the archaeological record, connecting later Stone Age developments with much earlier periods of human evolution. The tool's design shows surprisingly sophisticated understanding of physics, leverage, force distribution, and efficient cutting angles were all considered in its creation. Paleontologists working on the project discovered fossilized bones nearby, suggesting our ancestors were using these tools to process animal remains effectively. The implications extend beyond archaeology into neuroscience, as toolmaking requires complex brain functions including planning, spatial reasoning, and fine motor control. Educational institutions worldwide are updating their curricula to incorporate these findings, fundamentally changing how we teach about human origins and development. The research team published their findings in prestigious scientific journals, subjecting their work to rigorous peer review from the global scientific community. Museum exhibitions featuring replicas of the tool are planned globally, allowing the public to witness this remarkable piece of human heritage firsthand. The discovery raises fascinating questions about what other early technologies might be waiting to be discovered in Africa's ancient geological formations. Anthropologists are now re-examining previously discovered artifacts, wondering if some dismissed stones might actually be tools from this incredibly ancient period. The find suggests that intelligence and innovation were driving forces in human evolution much earlier than previously theorized by evolutionary biologists. Digital reconstruction techniques allowed scientists to understand exactly how the tool was made, revealing sophisticated knapping techniques from 8 million years ago. The preservation of the tool was remarkable, protected by specific geological conditions that prevented degradation over millions of years of Earth's history. Comparisons with tools from other archaeological sites reveal an evolutionary progression of tool-making techniques spanning millions of years of human development. The discovery has prompted new funding for archaeological expeditions across Africa, as researchers hope to find more evidence of early tool-making. Environmental reconstruction of the discovery site reveals what the landscape looked like 8 million years ago when our ancestors first began shaping tools. The tool's discovery location provides insights into early human migration patterns and how our ancestors adapted to different environmental challenges and opportunities. Genetic studies of modern humans are being correlated with this archaeological evidence to better understand the relationship between biology and technology. The implications for understanding consciousness and intelligence in early hominids are profound, suggesting complex thought processes existed millions of years ago. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the discovery site and surrounding area, ensuring future generations of scientists can continue studying this location. The tool represents not just a technological achievement but a cognitive revolution that set our ancestors apart from other primates of their time. International scientific collaboration on this project demonstrates how modern technology and global cooperation can unlock secrets from our most ancient past. This discovery reminds us that human innovation and creativity have been driving our species forward for millions of years, long before recorded history. The 8-million-year-old tool stands as testament to our ancestors' ingenuity, marking the very beginning of humanity's long journey toward technological mastery. CTA. What other secrets lie buried in Africa's ancient soils? Subscribe and hit the bell to discover more incredible archaeological findings that reshape human history.